In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post as a delegate on X, Twitter. First, let's open X. You start by launching the application on your device or accessing the website through your browser. Once the platform is open, you will see a clean interface filled with tweets from the accounts you follow. This is where the magic happens. Opening X is the gateway to engaging with your audience and connecting with followers. Remember, a smooth start sets the stage for everything else that follows. Next, sign into your own X account. At the top right corner of the screen, you will find the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your credentials, including your username and password. This step ensures that you have access to all the features of your account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to your main feed. This is important because you need to be logged in to manage any delegated accounts effectively. Now click on your profile icon. This icon is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. When you click on it, a drop-down menu appears. This menu provides several options, including settings and account management tools. It's crucial to access your profile icon because it serves as the entry point to switch between accounts. By clicking this, you can quickly navigate to the accounts you manage, making your posting process seamless and efficient. From there, click on Switch Accounts. You will see a list of all the accounts you have access to. Select the delegated account you wish to post from. The delegated account is the one that someone else has given you permission to manage. Selecting the right account is vital because it ensures that your posts reach the intended audience. A quick glance at the account name will confirm you are in the right place. Next up, click Post. This action takes you to the posting screen. Here you will have all the tools you need to create your message. The Post button is where the actual sharing begins. At this point, you are one step closer to sharing your thoughts or updates with your audience. Remember, this step is essential because it transitions you from account management to content creation. Now, write your post. In the text box that appears, you can express your thoughts, share updates, or promote content. This is your opportunity to engage with your audience creatively. As you type, consider your message's tone and clarity. This detail matters because a well-crafted post resonates better with followers. Take your time to ensure that your message is clear and engaging. After that, click Post again. This final click is what sends your message live. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know your post has been successfully shared. This step is crucial because it ensures that your content reaches your audience immediately. You have now completed the process of posting as a delegate. With that, you have learned how to post as a delegate on X. Each step is designed to help you manage your accounts effectively and engage with your followers meaningfully. You can now confidently share content from any delegated account. Thank you for watching and happy posting.